What's up, everybody? Seeley here, and today's topic is something a little bit different. So, grab beer, let's talk photography. Okay, so for those of you who are new to the channel, this is probably not the best first impression for you, so I highly recommend that you go watch this video because it's much more better than this one today. Just being honest with you. I've been sitting here for about an hour and a half trying to come up with something to do for this video. And I'm trying to come up with like a lighting video or a model interaction or something that would be informative and entertaining and all that good stuff. But after an hour and a half, something wasn't sitting right with me. You see, I spend a lot of time on YouTube. I watch a lot of creators. The thing that I love about YouTube is I learn a ton. I get inspired daily, I watch a lot of YouTube. The thing that I don't like about YouTube is I watch a lot of YouTube. And so what I find is that I'll sit and I'll watch a video, then I'll watch another one, then another one, then another one, but I don't feel inspired enough to go and do something. The goal of this channel is, 1, to teach you something. 2, to motivate you and to inspire you to go out and create something magical. To go create something amazing better. And if I can play a role in that, then awesome. The problem I was running into today was I felt like what I was trying to do was to do something similar to what I just got done complaining about. Well, just get to the point. Stop talking, Brett. The point is this. Today's video is all about action. It's about being a accountability partner for you. We're going to have you do something different today. Number 1, think of something you want to accomplish photography-wise. What is your goal for this week? I'll tell you what mine is. My goal is to go out and do a lighting video outside in the sun, so that way you have an actual beneficial video if this one is kind of crap for you. So that's my goal. By next week, I was going to say hopefully, but I'm not hopefully going to. I'm going to have a video by next week that's going to show lighting outside. I'm going to teach you something about lighting that hopefully you'll learn from. Okay, so I said it. So now it's out there on YouTube. So now I got to do it. Simple as that. So that's it. You guys are going to hold me accountable because I'm saying I'm going to have something done by next week. So what are you going to do this week as it pertains to photography? Whatever it is, the objective for this video is for you to actually make a step forward and do something. Simple. So this is for you folks who have talked a lot but don't have a lot to show for it. Talking to you. If you're sitting there with a whole bunch of items on your list of things that you want to do, but that list only gets bigger, if you're sitting there talking about what your favorite shot was and it was like 4 years ago because you haven't shot since then, come on. If you want to get out of your dead-end job and you love photography but you don't know how, but you haven't done anything to move towards that goal, come on, man. Now I get it, life happens. Sometimes you can't do something. I get it. But if you want something bad enough, you'll make it happen. So step number 1, comment down below what you're going to do this week. Step number 2, make sure you subscribe. Step number 3, click on that notification bell. That's today's video. Nothing sexy about it. I hope one of y'all takes this serious. I've got this need. It's my maternal instinct or something. I have a need to try to nurture and develop somebody. I want to give myself to you. I know that sounds wrong. And you may not understand what I'm trying to say, but I want to give all of my concentration, all of me, deep down inside. I want to give to one of you to make you more money or to make you better so you can go out and shoot the model of your dreams. But probably it's going to be about the money because I like money too. It just makes me feel good. I just like it. Alright, y'all. That's about it. Write down what you're going to do. Then I'll see you a few times before the next accountability check, which will be next week. But I'll see you before then because I have a video to make. See you soon.